Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE 100 opened broadly unchanged at 10,788.16 as easing concerns around Middle East oil supplies weighed on energy shares. In Europe, the Euronext 100 gained 0.02%, while Germany's DAX rose 0.05% as investors assessed the outlook for artificial intelligence demand. In the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 26,130.2, while the S&P 500 slipped to 7675.7. In company news, insurer Prudential reported stronger first-half profit as shareholder returns increased. Motoring and cycling retailer Halfords raised its FY27 profit outlook following strong summer trading. Against sterling, the US dollar, Swiss franc, Japanese yen and Australian dollar weakened marginally, while the euro strengthened slightly. Bitcoin was unchanged. In commodities, copper, gold and natural gas moved higher, while Brent crude declined as concerns over Middle East supply disruption eased. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Thursday.